Vice President Constantino Chiwenga's grip on military power and his prospects of ascending to the presidency as a string of assassinations and purges decimate his closest allies. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel. The recent targeted killings have sent shockwaves through Zimbabwe, particularly among those who vividly recall Chiwenga's pivotal role in the ousting of the late President Robert Mugabe in November 2017. During that time, Chiwenga was the bold orchestrator of a historical coup, ushering in a new era of political uncertainty. A disturbing pattern has emerged since the coup that reshaped Zimbabwe's political landscape. High-ranking military officials have met their end in a series of inexplicable road accidents, conveniently eliminating potential challengers to Mnangagwa's authority. As the nation mourns their loss, whispers of discontent grow louder, echoing the sentiment of those who fear the erosion of democracy and the rise of tyranny in Zimbabwe's troubled landscape. In today's news, Chiwenga suffers another blow. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.